That time of the year. Diwali is here, and I am here today playing a sort of a double role. So, once again, for all of you who don't know me, my name is Sharmeen Thomas. I'm a representative for Indoz TV. I'm very proud to say that we're at Diwali in Oxley, which is also an event that I am part of the organizing team of. So I want to welcome one and all to Diwali in Oxley 2024. We have a lot of stuff lined up for today. The good news is that the weather is fantastic. It was a bit hot earlier this afternoon, but there's no problem with that because you'd rather have the heat than have any rain. So thank you to all the rain gods and the thunder gods and the weather gods. You've done well today. So once again, back on the field at Diwali in Oxley. As you can look around, we've got a number of food stalls. We've got everything from dosas to paratha to ganne ka juice or sugarcane juice. We've got pani puri and chaat and you name it, and we have it today. So very excited about that. I mean, log to khane ke liye hi aate hain. But खाने के अलावा we have a lot of entertainment today. तो बहुत सारी dances है, whether it's Bharatnatyam, whether it's Kathak, and heaps of Bollywood dancing. In सब के अलावा we have a lot of multicultural performances as well. We've got a Mexican dance. We have a multicultural Bollywood group. We actually have two of them, with one of them having come down from New South Wales as well. We have an acrobatic routine. We've got some belly dancing. So we have got a masaledar evening all set to go. Dancers in their troupe are not just Mexican. They come from Colombia, they're from Australia, from Ireland, Philippines, and pretty much all over the place. They dance to traditional Mexican music from different states.
Thanks to everyone who has come up in large numbers, and we are part of third year in a row Diwali in Oxley is happening. And I would like to congratulate and thank all the local supporters, sponsors, and all the volunteers who are here, who have made it possible. It would not have been possible without some names. There are so many names within the community who have helped us, supported with sponsorship, raffle draws, and other things. So thank you to all of those guys. A lot of supporters have come from the political circle too. Jess is here. Jespu has been a part of us for the last 3 years, and she's here. She's doing some yoga at the back, so I can see her doing that with her kids. So there will be a lot of people coming in from Jordan. We have got some people coming from Springfield, some people coming from Rochdale and Sherwood. So waiting for them too. The political people means, again, we are here because of some of those guys. Thank you to Brisbane City Council, I would say, who have sponsored this event this year, apart from other sponsors like Intech, Show in Show, and others. Thank you guys for everything.
Diwali in Oxley is always well attended by the most important people in our community. So thank you so much for being here, Sarah and Lisa. Sorry, I will hand over the mic to you to just say something about how you're feeling about being here today and just generally the spirit of Diwali.
Oh, thank you so much, Charmaine, and it is so wonderful to be here. We just love Diwali here in Oxley, and as you can see, the crowds are coming. We love celebrating the light over darkness, and it's also just so great to celebrate with our multicultural community, which, you know, Brisbane is a multicultural melting pot, so it's great to be here to celebrate.
And I'd just like to second that. I am absolutely honoured to be here today. It's such a treat to be amongst everybody here to celebrate Diwali with you all. And I look forward to seeing the dancing a bit later on,
definitely.
trying the food and maybe a little bit of shopping.
Way!
You're welcome to dance as well.
I'm not sure you want that.
We'll see. Well, thank you so much for being here, ladies. We have with us Dr. Preeti Suraj and Pankaj Agarwal from FICQ. Dr. Preeti, thank you so much. This is the first time you've made it to Diwali in Oxley, so thank you so much for being here. What are you feeling today?
Thank you, Sharmeen and Ash, for the invitation. We feel very festive here. A lot of stalls, food stalls and non-food stalls inside. Hats off to Ash and Sharmeen for hosting this very well conducted event. I think people all should come and have a look of it. Then we can see what it's going on. Waiting for the performances. Thank you.
पंकज जी, आप कुछ कहेंगे आपकी ब्यूटीफुल शुद्ध हिंदी में हमारे हिंदी लिसनर्स के लिए?
चलिए, ओके, थैंक यू शर्मीन, एंड फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ऐश एंड शर्मीन हमको यहाँ आमंत्रित करने के लिए, और जैसा आपने बोला अभी हिंदी में, तो मैं हिंदी में ही बोलता हूँ। तो सबसे पहले तो सभी लोगों को बहुत बहुत दिवाली मुबारक, एंड आप लोगों ने जो इतना इंतज़ाम किया इस रियली बहुत ही लाजवाब इंतजाम है, कितना रंगीन माहौल है, सब लोग खुश हैं, तरह तरह के ड्रेसेस पहन के आए हैं. सो इट्स सो गुड लवली एंड इट्स रियली मल्टीकल्चरल. आई कैन सी लाइक it's a multicultural food, multicultural dresses, and everyone is dressed, so it's a really like a festival of lights and so colorful. So बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आपका.
I have to say something. For FICQ, we have been last 2 years. This is the 3rd year for us. But I have to say this. 2 साल से हम ये प्रोग्राम कर रहे हैं और हमारा 2 साल से FICQ के साथ क्लैश हो रहा था.
Exactly.
Not by design, not by motive. It was just and I'm happy. I'm happy that this year we checked with each other, and I checked with Preeti after the AGM. So we made sure that this year we do not conflict with them. And thank you for coming in, both of you guys.
Why is the problem?
Once more on the field. I have to say, Jess, thank you so much for being here. You have legit been one of our one of our biggest patrons of Diwali in Oxley. So thank you again for being here. Say something for us today.
Always. I have been so proud to be part of this event since it first kicked off. I still remember when you and Ash came to my office with the idea, and I was so proud to just give you a few pointers and look at what you guys have been able to create. It's absolutely amazing. It gets bigger and better every year, and this year we've been blessed with the most amazing weather, so it's really exciting. I know the whole Oxley community is looking forward to coming down, having a dance. I just did some yoga. It was amazing. So much happening.
Thank you, Jess. Nicole, you are in the same category as Jess. You've been supporting us from day one. So thank you again for being here.
I think Diwali in Oxley has just brought this great sense of fun and happiness, joy, celebration. It's been an amazing event that you and Ash and all of the volunteers behind the scenes, Club Oxley here, have put on. And I'm so pleased I've been able to help in a small way, as has Brisbane City Council. Happy Diwali, everybody.
And it's important to have all of you here because as I read in one of your Tennyson Ward newsletters, that Oxley is actually divided into 4 separate wards, which I find really cool. Thank you for being here, Margie. You look fantastic, by the way.
Thank you. And I'm really happy to be here because, as you said, there are a number of state members that look after Oxley, so I think that they're a little bit blessed with a lot of care and love. And as the newest member for Inala, I'm really happy to have just a small part of Oxley in my electorate. And Inala is one of the most multicultural electorates in the state, if not the country. So I get to have the thrill of attending so many wonderful events, and this is certainly stacks up with all of those. So thank you for putting it on, and thank you to the great volunteers, because I know that these events don't just happen. They take work and effort and time from everybody who cares and puts that effort in. So thank you so much. I'm looking forward to see what else there is around here.
Thank you so much. I'm going to hand over to you because you have a little, what we call a Diwali sweet and treat in your hand.
I certainly do. This Diwali sweet is Margaret, and my name's Julianne Campbell. I'm the Federal Labor candidate for Moreton. It's so wonderful to be here today because Diwali, and particularly the event that you guys are putting on here today, brings the community together. And I can see in front of me so many families, people from so many different diverse parts of our community coming together. And Margaret and I are having an absolute blast. So thank you for having us, and well done on putting together a really unifying event that's important not just to the people in Oxley, but also so many of the surrounding suburbs on the south side.
Thank you so much. I can see Margaret's already dancing a bit to the tunes. with Niels, who attended the event today. Niels, what was your most favorite part of the event today?
I can't point out one. Everything. You guys did such a great, amazing. We had an amazing time. The dances, the fashion shows, the ladies was so great. Thank you so much. Great time.
Wonderful. Thank you so much, and happy Diwali to you. Lynn, you were one of the performers today, and I can very proudly say you've been an integral part of Diwali in Oxley ever since we started it. What's been your experience?
Well, we love coming here because it's a beautiful community event and we just enjoy it. It's grown bigger and bigger from when we first started. So congratulations to you and Ash and the other organisers. And yes, got to be in the fashion show tonight as well too. So thank you everybody, absolutely loved it.
Thank you so much, Lynn, and we look forward to seeing you next year again. Happy Diwali.
Thank you, and happy Diwali to everybody out there. Thank you.
Woo. Hello. Paul.
Hi.
Hi, Paul. What are you ordering?
Well, I'm not ordering. I'm running the show.
Oh, you're on. This is your stall. How did you go tonight?
It was awesome. It was great.
Yeah?
Yes.
What was the best seller from your stall today?
Masala doshas.
Masala dosa.
The maximum we sold is masala doshas. Yeah, it was awesome.
Wonderful. We're really glad to hear you had a good run today, and we hope to see you again at Diwali in Oxley. And wishing everyone here Happy Diwali.
Happy Diwali. Thank you.
Thank you all for being here. Today at Diwali in Oxley, we had Ripple's sugarcane juice, aka Ganne ka juice, which I love. As soon as I got here today, that's the first thing I had. How did you guys go today?
Yeah, good, very good. Yeah, we feel we have gone very well today. Yeah.
Wonderful. And did you find a lot of people having Ganne ka juice today?
Yeah. Because today is a very hot day, and it was very unlucky for us today also. And people are enjoying our juice, you know. Yeah, thank you.
Absolutely. On a hot day, there's nothing better than having Ganne ka juice. Thank you so much for joining us at Diwali in Oxley. So, जैसे कि आपने देखा, another year of Diwali in Oxley has come to an end. बहुत मज़ा आया. लोगों की reactions बहुत अच्छी थी. There was lots of energy on the dance floor and even off the dance floor. Oval हमारा पूरा भरा था. The food stalls have done really well as well. Shopping ढेर सारी हुई है. मेहंदी, face painting, everything, you name it. Most of all, I love the energy of the performers. बहुत सारे performers ऐसे हैं जो who have returned and who have done previous editions of Diwali in Oxley as well. So it was great to have them on stage again, right from kids to grown-ups. So just on that note, wishing you all a very happy Diwali, and we'll see you around.